Bridge mixture by Cornell and Diehl, sealed from the factory. This is pipe tobacco from 2009. A little puffy, a lot of pressure. Let's see what we got. Go. A little bit of stickiness. Smells amazing. This just smells beautiful. Nice fermentation smell. Amazing. Welcome back. Today we are talking about Bridge Mixture by Cornell and Diehl. This is from 2009. This is a very older tin. The label is actually changed already. So it's not the same label unless you find an older tin of it. This is a English blend, Latakia, and it's kind of on the lighter side. It says we have a smooth blend of Virginia's, Latakia, Perique, Red Virginia Cavendish, and it's not what your grandfather meant by bridge mixture. So that's your grandfather, and it's not what he's talking about. Very light English. This is very smooth, but we have Red Virginia Cavendish in here, so there's a little bit of a kick. But nothing crazy. It's just a smooth Virginia. It starts out very tasty. Real tasty. Again, this is 15 years old, so yeah, the Virginias are coming out. I'm not really getting any Perique at all. I'm getting Latakia. I'm getting a tremendous amount of age. Yeah, it starts out nice. Let's get halfway down and see if it changes. All right, we're past halfway now, and unfortunately, it did change a little bit. Kind of getting, I think the Perique is coming out a little bit because I'm getting a little pepper. But a lot of that nice flavor kind of diminished. And it's almost coming off as a burnt taste. I guess it's the best way to describe it. It's not off-putting, but it's there, unfortunately. Now, is that due to the age? Maybe, I don't know. I know bridge mixture really isn't that popular. Nobody talks about it. Oh, there's a lot of hidden gems out there that nobody talks about. And that's fine with me. But back to this, there's yeah, it started off beautifully. I'm getting near the end, so yeah, it might just be the Perique finally started coming out. A lot of Kia kind of got diminished also, so it completely changed. It completely changed. Age got to do with it. Age has a lot to do with tobacco, a lot. All right, that's bridge mixture. Red Virginia Cavendish, a lot of Kia, other Virginias, a little bit of Perique. Comes in that 2-ounce tin and only that 2-ounce tin. So, if you're interested in buying it, 15-year-old tobacco started out wonderful, got iffy halfway down. So not every blend's the same. All right, that's all I got. Till next time, have a good one.